So long time no see, huh? Yeah, see, it's time to do another haul. This one, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another haul on my channel. Yeah. Alright, I'm eating a popsicle. Not sure where it went. Not sure where it is right now. Gonna go get it. Be right back. Hold up. I've had this box for legit 2 months, so it's almost as if the products in here, I didn't even buy them. It's been so long that I forgot about the money that I spent. It's almost like a gift. But let's talk about what I did open, okay? As soon as I got it. This was supposed to be a part of this haul, but this is my hoodie, my I Mean Well hoodie. Oh my god. I got this from Aeropostale, but I only got it because of its pastel purple color. So, we're gonna take them off. Hi, by the way, if you're new here, my name's Jeremy. I make videos almost every week, but I edit them every once in a blue moon. This video is gonna get edited because hauls always get edited. Because that's me. That's my shit. I edit them hauls. This what the... So, we're gonna tear open this box. Oh, I was gonna say I wasn't gonna use scissors because I was gonna use my man. Okay. So, first things first. Some shit that I don't need. It's a razor. You want a razor? $3 off. And I'm gonna give that to somebody. Don't know who. I'm gonna give it to somebody, but welcome to the fam. Don't shave anything, not even my face, because my face doesn't grow hair. So look, piece number 1, and we got piece number 2. Well, piece number 2. This is piece number 2. Piece number 3. I'm starting to remember this shit. Piece number 4. Piece number 5. And I'm piece number 6. Ew. Alright. This is our first piece. This is a red casual jacket, like bomber jacket, like movement, like moment, like I'm saying like too much, but it's like cool because like this is a zip up jacket. This is the only one that's not a hoodie, I'm pretty sure, and it's like red and like fun and like cool and like you'd like wear this to like a like party or like take a shot every time I say like. I guarantee you I have alcohol poisoning. I was just sitting on something. Did not like it. Okay. This right here says love hate. Okay. This $24.99. Don't know if I bought it for $24.99. I don't remember. It's been too long. Okay. It's been too long. It's in a size extra large. I would actually put these on and do like a lookbook or something. But listen. Bitch, you'll see them in my Instagram photos. Which, by the way, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Jeremy Alexander. Same thing that this channel is called, Jeremy Alexander. And it's pink, and it's lovely, and it's loyal to me as a person, and it smells new, so we're gonna get there. I was actually holding off on doing this haul because I wanted to have like shoes to go with this, but then I decided today that after I got my haircut, I was just gonna do a haul, and it was just gonna be like a moment, like a movement that I went through with you guys. Okay, this is this is my logo jacket, SLV red. Blah 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 blah. We're ripping this open. So much plastic. We're supposed to be saving the turtles. Okay, this has a Bible verse or something on it. I think, yes, Peter 3:9, not returning evil for evil or insult for insult, but giving blessings instead. And that is what we're doing here, giving out blessings instead. Notice how almost everything is red and black. I don't know why I think red and black are my colors, because they're not. This is the only pair of pants that I bought, and the material feels questionable. This is a size large. Don't know if I can fit it. The price tag says $24.90. I really hope I didn't pay that much for it. And they're supposed to be They're supposed to be joggers, but they're not. But hey, we'll see if I wear these hoes and look like a fucking chessboard, chessboard, lovely like thing, like a fashion icon. Will I be a fashion icon this year? Debatable. Anyways, on to the last thing. This is not. I'm not able to see the little label, so, and I don't remember. Oh, this is something that I got just to be extra, and oh, it's soft. It's really soft. I really like it. This is my outerwear coat. It's black and white, and it's faux fur. It's faux fur. It's not real fur because save the animals. I don't fucking know. I'm not a visco girl. I will put on over my hoodie that I'm currently wearing, of course. I'm hot. Hot boy summer. Hot boy winter. I'm literally dead. Okay. Take this shit off. Take it off. This may not fit. Don't even know. Don't even care anymore. I really don't. It's beautiful though. So if you can't fit it, then I'm gonna be very sad. The sad boy. Anyways, we're gonna hang all this stuff up. Hang it all up. We're gonna put it in my closet. New additions. Everything here is a size large or a size extra large, so it should fit very well. Some things are extra large, others are not. This is cute. This is not. There's a pocket up here that's separate from these pockets, and I love the vibe of it. Okay, I'm wearing this tomorrow to school. That's the end of the story. End of the story. Don't know which. Oh, and I got my. Oh, bitch! I just put an outfit together in my head, where I can wear these pants and this, and we'll see how I look in the mirror in the morning. I'll give you guys a little bit of a. Lord, what did I just do? I'll give you guys a little bit of OOTD tomorrow, like maybe, but I don't know. Maybe if you're like, cool. Let me stop. Oh, and so I guess we've reached the end of this video. You know, these are my clothes. These are the clothes I bought, and these are like my moments in life. Because this bad bitch. Let me stop. Like this. Do you hate it? Do you love it? It's been months. I loved it. It was a vibe months ago, and I'm not sure anymore. Ow, my arm. That hurt my shoulder. Oh my god. Now this was a vibe a month ago, but I'm not sure anymore at this point. Like literally at this point, I'm like, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more puffed up, if you know what I mean, but it's not. Which is like not a vibe. Not a vibe? Like no. Anyways, so I guess we've reached the end, darling. It's just you, me, and all these clothes and no casualties. Except for all this plastic. They did not have to separate them in packaging so much if they were going to put them all in the same box. I don't understand. I've ordered them all the same. Why would they give me all this plastic? Lord. Giving away a Soleil sensitive razor to the person who likes this video. I'm giving this away, and make sure you like this video and DM me your credit card information and we'll get it sent out to you. So Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Anyways, if you're still here at the end of the video, oh my gosh, you made it. Like, you literally made it through this mess of a video that, oh my gosh, I almost didn't make it through. I promise you. Editing Jeremy shown. I actually did pretty well editing this video. I've edited 2 more before this, so at this point, you don't surprise me anymore, Jeremy. You don't surprise me. But this video was hella boring to me a little bit, you know. But, you know, I'm here to liven it up, you know. The champ, the champion, the champion. Let me stop. Alright. For real, we getting near the end. That's it. Simple. Show him. So, if you made it to the end of this video, I love you dearly. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, make sure you like this video if you enjoy, because if you're here for this long, of course you like the video, or you just skip till the end for the non-giveaway, which yes, I'm giving away this and this coupon. Anyways, make sure you follow me on all my socials, Instagram, Twitter, these 2 right here, because we're not doing Snapchat because I don't post snaps. And that's it. I guess I'll see you guys next week. Maybe next week if I edit another video, or if I record another haul, because hauls get edited. And by the way, from now on, videos are uploaded on Wednesday. If they get uploaded, they get uploaded on Wednesday, because it's Wednesday with me today. Let me stop. So, I got some things coming in the works. I got some nice things, some good things, some music things, some video things, some really, really intricate video things, and some really, really interesting things coming in the future. So if you want to be there for that, then you have to be here Wednesdays. Let me stop. And I'm gonna start doing videos every Sunday, or every other Sunday, or a certain Sunday or Saturday, an S day. Just know it'll be an S day, because it's gonna be a small creator S day. So I'm gonna go on the YouTubers subreddit. Even though I'm a small creator, we're gonna critique some other small creators' work. So we're gonna go on the YouTubers subreddit, and then we're gonna put in critique, and we're gonna have people send us in their channels, and then we'll critique them for like an hour or 3 hours, and I'll try to cut it down to 20 minutes, because cool, right? Innovative, great idea, I know, amazing. Am I the first one to think of this? Probably not, but if I am, just when you steal my video idea, give me credit, period. So, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.